Okay, guys, I'm at Popeyes on Lamar, and when I came through here yesterday, their advertising sign, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it, the advertising sign said chicken sandwich $13.99, but today I see that they have Popeyes chicken nuggets for $13.99. So I guess that was a faux pas. Chicken sandwich with a strawberry lemonade. Popeyes chicken sandwich, 11-piece mixed signature chicken nuggets. Their dining room is still closed, but their drive-through opens at 10 o'clock. I must confess that I have lived right around the corner from Popeyes, and I never had a chicken sandwich. I never fell for the hype that the chicken sandwich was better than the second coming of Jesus Christ. I just never fell for it. I'm not a fan of pickles, mayonnaise, or chicken breast. I probably could eat that biscuit, that bun, though, if it was toasted. Right across the street is KFC. They also have a chicken sandwich for $3.99. All right, guys. I saw that $13.99 for a chicken sandwich, but it was raining, so I couldn't stop. All right, guys. Y'all stay healthy and stay blessed. And I guess I'm out. Those chicken nuggets do look pretty good, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of Popeyes chicken. I had some bad experiences. I tried to get I used to love their dirty rice, but they keep it heated up too long, and it's just too hard for me to eat. All right, guys. Y'all stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'm out. Is the Popeyes chicken sandwich worth $13.99? Would anybody pay $13.99 for a Popeyes chicken sandwich? I don't know. They might. All right, guys. I just never been a fan of the chicken sandwich. I don't think God had the courage to sit in a line and wait 3 hours for a chicken sandwich. All right, guys. Y'all stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'm out.